Tyson Cross. Stationed at Fairchild Airport.
UN Spirit Squad prior to the ballpark. Either in the stadium or in the tailgate area. Get out your tickets now. Remember to call the winning number for next week's game versus Central Washington. The number is branded ticket 200162. That's 200162. Congratulations, and please report to the South Ticket Office to collect your winning. Thank you.